Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer. And today, in this video, we're going to sew a coconut top. The top features straps, waist length, with raised seams along the front and back. The top is lined and has a zipper at the center back. As usual, you can find the PDF pattern of this top and download it in the description box below the video. These fabrics are perfect for sewing this top. It's linen, cotton, muslin, denim and satin fabric. You'll also need a separating zipper and fusible stay tape. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decade the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric, observing direction of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns, and trace the patterns along the contour. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. And do not forget to interface the pieces as indicated on the patterns. Let's get sewing, and we start with the main fabric. Place the front with the front sides, right sides together, and stitch. Press seam allowances towards the center. Place the back with back sides, right sides together, and stitch. Press seam allowances towards the center. Sew the side seams, placing the pieces right sides inside. Press the allowances. Next, we deal with the lining. Stitch the front lining and the back lining in the same way as the main top pieces, leaving an unstitched opening in the left side seam. Then the straps. Press the strap piece in half with the wrong side inside and stitch along the longest section. Turn out and press. Sew the straps to the upper edge of the top along the notches. The assembling step. Place the main top with the lining, right sides together, and stitch along the upper edge. Stitch along the lining at 1 mm from the seam. Press, forming an edging from the main top. Turn the top inside out and stitch the bottom edge of the top with lining. Stitch along the lining at 1 mm from the seam. Press, forming an edging from the main top. And finally, the zipper. Sew the zipper in the center of the back first to the main top pieces, placing it right sides together. Turn the top inside out and stitch the zipper with lining. Turn out and press. Sew the unstitched opening in the left side seam on the lining. And give the top a final press. Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.